Today we will start the new chapter understanding the quadrilaterals. Before we start the quadrilaterals, let us recall the previous definitions. First it is closed curve. Closed curve. A curve which is closed, that is called closed curve. See the examples. And one more definition, that is simple closed curve. What does mean the simple closed curve? A curve which does not cross itself. I repeat, a curve which does not cross itself, that is called a simple closed curve. See the example. These are the examples of simple closed curve. Now what about the polygons? As I told you, the simple closed curve in which they not cross itself. Now talking about the polygons made up of the two words poly and gon. Poly means many and gon means side. Then definition becomes a simple closed curve made up of line segments. A simple closed curve made up of line segments. That is called polygon. That is called polygon. Now types of polygon. First it is convex polygon. A polygon in which all interior angles are less than 180 degree. A polygon in which all interior angles are less than 180 degree. See the figure. These are the figures in which all interior angles are less than 180 degree. Now concave polygon. A polygon in which at least one interior angle is more than 180 degree. A polygon in which at least one interior angle is more than 180 degrees. See the examples. Figure 1 and 2 in which one interior angle is more than 180 degree. This is called concave polygon. We identified very easily concave having the cave side, then it is concave polygon. So these are the difference between the convex and concave. Convex means all angles are less than 180 degree. Concave in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree. Now regular polygons. A polygon in which all sides and all angles are equal. For example, a square. As we know that in a square all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. And one it is equilateral triangle, as we learned in the previous classes. So this is called regular polygon in which all sides and all angles are equal. That is called regular polygon. And irregular polygon. What about the irregular polygon? A polygon in which all sides and all angles are not equal. For example, we take rectangle, triangles. We take the example of rectangle and triangles. Irregular polygons. These are the examples of irregular. Any triangle which is not in equal in sides, then they are called irregular polygons. So these are the types of the polygons: convex polygons, concave polygons, regular polygons and irregular polygons. These are the types of the polygons. Understood? Okay. In the next topic we will discuss about the diagonals of a polygons.